this guided meditation. Today, I will guide you into a deep state of bodily relaxation. Please be sure you will not be distracted by anyone or any nearby device, so turn any device off, or please place them in another room on silent. This time is very valuable for you, so there is no need for any interaction with the outside world for the duration of this guided meditation session. Now please get in a very comfortable lying down position, with your favorite pillow or under a blanket if you wish. Your clothing should be loose and comfortable, and not restrictive around your waist, allowing your breath to flow freely and unimpeded. This time right now is entirely yours. This occasion of rest and relaxation is to nourish you from the inside out. You deserve this break from the busy world around you, and allowing yourself to have this intimate space is allowing the natural sources of healing and strength that are within yourself to become fully present. So let's begin by taking a deep breath in, pulling in as much air as you can, and breathe out, letting go of any noticeable tensions around your body. Allow yourself another deep and nice breath, and again, use your breath as an opportunity to relax and let go of any tension. Let's take one more deep breath at your own pace, feeling your lungs expanding, holding it for a moment, and breathe out, relaxing further and further. Good. Taking a few deep breaths and using your exhalation to release tensions is a very simple but effective practice that can be used at any time you are feeling tensions building up on your body. Letting your arms feel heavy by your sides, notice what your fingertips are touching right now. Can you feel your thumbs in particular? How about your index fingers? Sense what they are touching. And your middle fingers? Now feel what your ring fingers are touching. And the pinkies. Become aware of your breathing now. Follow it without changing anything about it. No need to take deep breaths now. Simply bring awareness to your belly and just observe your belly rising and falling with your breath for a moment. And now become aware of your toes. Notice each one of your toes. What do they feel like and what are they touching? I wonder if you can imagine that when you breathe in, your breath can travel all the way down to your toes. Breathing in and down to your toes now, and on the out-breath, allow your entire legs to become very deeply relaxed. Good. Now imagine the same thing for your fingertips. As you breathe in, feel your breath traveling all the way to each fingertip, and on the out-breath, your entire arms become so very relaxed. And noticing again the gentle rise and fall of your belly, up and down, expanding and contracting. Now use your beautiful imagination to witness your inhalation, going all the way up to your head, filling your mouth, nose, eyes, and ears, and on the out-breath, your head becomes more relaxed than it has ever been. Inhale all the way into every cell of your brain, and on the exhalation, your mind becomes more open and relaxed than it has ever been before. Very good. Now we will go into a deeper relaxation practice, moving our attention part by part throughout the body. Let's begin by focusing on your right palm. Relax your right palm and hand. Relax each finger one by one. Relax your right wrist, your forearm, your elbow. Relax your right bicep and entire upper arm. Relax your right shoulder. Remember, You can always use your exhalation to connect and release deeper and deeper. And now move your attention down to your right hip, relaxing it too as much as you can. Relax your right leg all the way down to your right ankle and foot. Each toe on your right foot slowly lets go completely. Bring your awareness up now to the right side of your neck, relaxing it, allowing any sounds that you hear to feel like tiny waves of relaxation going into your right ear. The entire right side of your head is completely relaxed now. Feel the right side of your brain relaxing and decompressing too. Your entire right side fully calmed and relaxed. Good. Now let's bring our attention to our left palm. Relax your left palm and hand. Relax each finger one by one, starting with your pinky and moving towards your thumb. And relax your left wrist, your forearm and elbow. Relax your left bicep and entire upper arm. Relax your left shoulder and down to your left hip. Move your attention through the entire left leg all the way down to your left ankle and foot, relaxing each of your toes as you move your attention down. Bring your awareness up now to the left side of your neck, relaxing it, allowing for any sounds that you hear to help you relax further. The entire left side of your head is fully relaxed now. Feel as if the left side of the brain were to decompress and relax too. Now your entire left side is fully calm and relaxed. Good. Now, moving your awareness, starting with the back of your head, allow the weight of the back of your head to generate relaxation. The back of your neck relaxes. Your shoulders and shoulder blades fully relax. Your entire upper back is completely relaxed. Your spine lets go of any tension, starting from the neck, slowly going down, bone by bone, relaxing your nervous system that runs through the spine. There are 33 bones in your spine, and each one of them is relaxing one by one. Your lower back relaxes too, as it presses against the surface you are laying on. Your hips, pelvis, and glutes relax. The back of your legs, all the way down to your ankles, fully release. We are going to go through one more focus body scan, starting your forehead. Many of us hold tension around our foreheads, so allow your forehead to release and melt away. This also relaxes the frontal cortex of the brain, the place of creative formulation. Relax your eyes now too, and notice your nose and how the air passes through. Allow this flow to relax you. Relax your mouth and your tongue, your throat, moving your attention down, relaxing your entire lungs, your heart. Relax your ribs and stomach. Allow all of your vital organs to relax. Your liver, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, your entire digestive system relaxes. Your reproductive organs are completely relaxed too, and then from your thighs all the way down to your feet. Good. Every single part of your body is relaxed right now. How does that feel? Just enjoy this feeling for some time, staying mindful and aware, connected with your body. Let's take a few moments to feel the whole body relaxed and balanced. Now, whenever you are ready, make a fist with both of your hands and squeeze as hard as you can for 5 seconds. Then let go completely, deeply releasing all the tension. Tense your entire arms now, engaging every muscle in your arms for another 5 seconds. And using your exhalation again, release completely. Now, tense your chest and abs as much as you can, holding it for an entire 5 seconds. And again, completely let go of the tension. Tense your pelvis and hips and reproductive organs, holding tension firmly for 5 seconds. And relax this area too, along with your exhalation. Tense your entire legs as much as you can, holding this tension for 5 whole seconds. And release the leg muscles completely, relaxing your legs further. And lastly, tense your feet as much as you can, holding for 5 and relaxing. Now just stop doing anything at all and allow your body to adjust to anything it needs right now and simply stay present with it. And when you feel ready, gently start moving your fingers or your toes. Coming back from this relaxation, move your wrists and stretch your shoulders or neck. And when you feel it is appropriate, let's finish this session by opening our eyes.